Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my October Ipsy Unbagging. So if you guys want to see what's in my Ipsy bag for this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so here is the bag for this month. It's just red and it has like a little mask, like a little lace mask in the center. And then I'm gonna assume it's gonna be like a Halloween kind of theme. And then on the card it says, who said nights were for sleep? Hashtag Ipsy after dark. So that is the theme for the month. The first thing I see, okay, this is IBY Beauty. This is a highlighter. And I'm not sure, I think I've had like a couple products from this brand before, but I can't even like recall which ones because I feel like it's been a while. I've definitely heard of them before. This is a highlighter in the shade Prosecco. I love Prosecco, so hopefully I love this shade. And this is, okay, totally love this shade. It's just like the shade that I'm wearing right now. I don't have it in front of me, but it reminds me of like Topaz from Jouer, which is like my favorite. All right, so this seems promising. Just like swatching it, it feels so creamy. Oh, I'm happy about that. That is totally a shade that's right up my alley. Ooh, I'm just gonna keep swatching it because it looks so pretty. But this is a decent size. It has a little mirror on, no, it doesn't have a mirror. I totally made that up. But this is still a really nice size in the shade Prosecco. That's so pretty. It's like this nice rose gold color that's not like too light. I don't like highlighters that are like too, yeah, like just very, very light because they look like really off on my complexion. But that one is perfect for me for sure. So excited about that one. All right, so next up we have a brush from Moda Brushes, and this says glow on it. So this is a highlighter brush. And I was just thinking to myself, like, I use the same highlighter brush every single day. I have to wash it all the time because I literally just use that one brush and I need one so bad. So I'm actually gonna apply a little bit of this highlighter with this highlighter brush because they just made this like really easy for me. I'm already wearing a ton of highlighter, but I feel like it's just gonna blend and kind of look the same as the one I'm wearing right now. I think that's a really pretty shade. Yeah, that is really similar to what I'm wearing. All right, so this is about to be like an everyday staple in my life because this highlighter color is perfect. And I'm so picky about highlighter shades. I like the formula already just by seeing the swatch and just like the way it blends on my skin. Already wearing like a ton of highlighter, I know I'm gonna like that. And then this brush, as I was applying highlighter like 20 minutes ago, I'm like, I really need to get a new highlighter brush. So Ipsy is speaking to me right now. Ooh, okay, hopefully this is a right shade. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. This used to be my holy grail foundation a couple years ago. I've gone through several bottles. So this is Y335. Let's see if this is a shade I can make work because the Y is promising. I feel like I could totally make this shade work. I don't know how they can get, like if I have a little bit of a dirty beauty blender. This is just becoming a try on because I'm excited about this bag. Okay, I'm totally gonna put this a little bit more on my neck. Here, let me do it a little bit closer. Maybe you guys can tell. I feel like maybe this is just like one shade dark, if even. No, that totally like blends into my skin. Sorry, my beauty blender is so gross because I just used it a little while ago. But that shade I could totally make work. So that is awesome because I have not had this foundation in a really long time and I've missed it. I've actually been wanting to try out the new Makeup Forever foundation. I think it's like the Matte Velvet foundation because I haven't used their foundations in a really long time. I really wonder how they picked out different shades. So if you guys got this as a sample, let me know if you got like something that's like close enough to your shade because I'm sure I just put like light to medium or medium in my like Ipsy profile, but this seems like pretty spot on considering that they have like, I think 50 different shades in this foundation. And then, okay, this is Naked Cosmetics. I've gotten products from them before. This is a loose highlighter or a loose eyeshadow. I think so. It doesn't say in here, but it's the shade Heavy Metal. And then this is what it looks like. Okay, this is a loose pigment. That is pretty. I have one that's kind of like rose gold from this brand. I don't use like loose, ooh. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm trying to see if I can, I don't want to ruin my eye look, but you guys can get the gist of it. This is so pretty. I never wear loose eyeshadow though, so I might wear it like a couple times and then maybe forget about it, honestly, because it's just like I'm worried about dropping this. It always makes me nervous and I'm so like all over the place when I put on my makeup. That's definitely a really pigmented formula. And then the last thing, okay, this is a hair mask. I thought this was gonna be like a body lotion or some kind of skincare product, but this is a mask from the brand Verb. I've been wanting to try out this brand. It's available at Sephora. I haven't tried anything from them, and this is the Manage and Restore Hydrating Mask. I'm gonna use this in the shower tomorrow because I'm at the point in my life, my hair has been damaged for decades. So I end up using a hair mask more often than I'm using a conditioner. I use conditioner like once a week, and then every other time that I wash my hair, I use a hair mask because that's just what works best for me. I have naturally super, super curly hair. And then if you're curious, this has like a really clean, like ocean mist kind of scent. Like that's the candle equivalent of what this smells like. This smells nice. I'm gonna use it. It will probably last me for all of this hair. Half of my hair isn't even real, but it all needs to be conditioned. This will probably last me maybe like 3 hair masks, so like a week or so. I will let you guys know because I have actually been really wanting to try out this brand every time I see them at Sephora, but honestly all hits this month, which is awesome. I feel like I get that like maybe once a quarter because I remember I had that like 2 or 3 months ago where everything I liked in my bag. All right, so that is everything for my glam bag for October. Honestly, that just put me in a really good mood because I was having kind of a rough day, but highlighting made everything better, honestly. This highlighter made me really, really happy. I think this is a really, really gorgeous shade. I love colors like this and I love formulas like this where it kind of reminds me of like the Becca formula just from swatching it and then like how it applied on my face. Of course, I already have highlighter on, but I think it just blends in really, really nicely. It doesn't show like texture and stuff. And then I definitely needed a new highlighter brush because I've been using the same one every single day for like 3 years now. I don't know why I don't rotate my highlighter brushes, but this is kind of like the same shape as, where's the one I use? All right, this is the one that I always use, the Morphe M501. I use this every single day. I wash it like twice a week, I promise. But this is like a very similar shape. When this was new, this is the shape that it was. So I'm really, really happy to have this because I didn't have time to go out and buy a new highlighter brush. I'm busy these days, so really excited about this combination. Happy with the hair mask because I've been wanting to try this brand. This is probably like what I'm the least excited for just because it's not like something I normally use, but the color I like, and then the pigmentation is amazing. I do have another one and the quality is really awesome. And then I think it's so interesting that I got a foundation. So let me know if you guys got one, and let me know if you got like a close enough shade because I feel like that is really, really hard to get like a decent match of. And I think they did a good job. Like I'm not wearing it on my face, but I will test it out on my face because I feel like it's like a close enough match. If not, I can mix it in with something else to just get it a little bit lighter, but I think it's like pretty good. So I'm excited about that. I haven't seen makeup forever in my Ipsy bags before, but that is everything for this unboxing. Let me know what you guys got in your bag this month in the comments down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.